Stop looking at my balls.
Pocket Theory.
What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. I'm in the Tinker Closet doing a top-down today. We're going to do a quick video to talk about my river float carry for 2025. Those of you who have been with the channel for a while may know every July I go to San Marcos with my wife and we join a group of people affectionately known as the Flotilla for our annual river float. Here in Texas, rivers and lakes are our bread and butter. We like to get an inner tube and go float the river. This is the kit that I take with me to keep all my goods waterproof. We're gonna break down the contents right now, starting with this Pelican 1010 micro case. This is fantastic. It's got this little valve that lets it breathe so it doesn't let any moisture build up on the inside, and it is locked down securely with this clamp on the side, keeping all the contents nice and waterproof. Minimal jiggle going on in here. It does have this carabiner on the side. I like to keep it clipped around my neck on this paracord lanyard and this little shackle that I got from CountyComm that allows it to swing 360 degrees. What's inside the kit? Let's find out, shall we? Right off the bat, we've got our car key fob. Yes, you do have to park your car somewhere in San Marcos and leave your car towards the end of where you get out of the tubing trip. So I like to keep my car key fob on this little pill canister. Inside here, we have some caffeine pills. I'm not really a big fan of energy drinks. There's a lot of sugar, but I don't mind the caffeine. If I can't get a cup of coffee, I'll just pop some caffeine pills for a little pick-me-up. That's what's going on in here. We've also got our Victorinox Classic SD standard Swiss Army knife, and I've got my silicone case protecting it. I've also got some Systane eye drops. Those are fantastic for keeping your eyes moisturized while you're out in the sunlight. Speaking of moisturized, my lips tend to dry up whenever I'm out in the sun all day, so I've got some O'Keeffe's Lip Repair with SPF 35. Keeps your lips nice and protected from the sun, but also moisturized. We got a standard Bic Mini. Yeah, you never know when you're gonna need to light something on fire out on the river. We've also got some Banana Boat SPF 30 sunscreen. This is just my backup packet of sunscreen. My wife keeps our primary. I have been separated from the group on a couple of occasions and separated from my sunscreen, so I always keep my backup on me. Last but not least, safety pin. Just a very basic EDC item. Safety pin come in handy when you're tubing. You can actually pin things to your shirt to keep you from losing them. And that is the River Float Kit 2025. I'm going to do that trick where I throw everything back in the case and fast forward so you guys can watch it happen. Now, of course, this is actually going on the river with me. I'm not going to be taking my watch. I'm not going to be taking my phone. I completely unplug. This is the only thing I actually take in the water in my inner tube. But we are taking a day trip to San Marcos. So how am I going to transport this there? I'll be putting it inside this St. Helens waist pack from Tactical. The St. Helens waist pack is an outstanding tactical waist pack. Not so fast. If you want to see a full breakdown of the St. Helens waist pack, you're going to have to tune in to next week's video, where I'll also be talking about the Troll Tunga sling bag from Tactical. Stop looking at my balls. We are headed to San Marcos, Texas to float the river for our annual July flotilla. I've got the St. Helens waist pack with me by Tactical, loaded full of gear. You're coming with me. It's going to be a fun day out on the river. Stay tuned.
Keeping it safe. Pelican.
Is how the trick went down. Guys, this is the third year in a row that I've taken the Pelican micro case on our annual river float trip in San Marcos. This thing has stood the test of time. It has not leaked once. We had 2 other people on the flotilla this year that had waterproof gear with them, and both of them experienced leaks. I mean, shit happens, but you've seen me. I've literally held this thing underwater like 10 or 15 times now just to get shots for content. It has not leaked once. It is a perfectly safe place to keep electronics, keep your car fob, anything that you don't want to get wet. Maybe you want to roll up a jammy or keep a vape rig in there. Who knows what your lifestyle is like, but this will keep it waterproof. This is one of the rare products where I would 100% recommend this to anybody who is looking for a waterproof EDC option, something to keep all your gear safe while you're out on the water, whether it's the beach, whether it's the lake, whether you're floating the river here in Texas in an inner tube. I definitely recommend this. This is going to continue going out with me every single year. We've been doing it 12 years in a row. I hope that we continue to do it for all my friends in the flotilla. Thank you for making it happen every year. We really do have fun and appreciate it. Tune in next week where you will see my full breakdown of the St. Helens Waist Pack by Ahmed Tactical. I'll also be talking about the Troll Tunga sling bag in that video as well. Hey guys, until next time, think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.